Hi friends, welcome to Jabba Webcam channel. I am Dr. Jabraj. In this video, we will see about what is tabletop runways and where these tabletop runways or the tabletop airports are situated in India. Let's enter into the video.
What is tabletop airport? If the airport is located over the mountains or peaks, the airport is termed as tabletop airport. Then what is tabletop runways? Airports which are located in mountainous regions sometimes have tabletop runways. These runways are engineering wonders and also dangerous and sometimes lead to accidents and tragedy. Tabletop runway? The best means to explain what a tabletop runway is to use the analogy in the name itself, that is tabletop. From the name itself we can say it is a tabletop. Let us imagine a plane landing on a table, that means which is at a certain height from the sea level or from the ground level. How it will be? At both ends of the runway there is a deep drop which can be sometimes hundreds of feet. They are constructed by chopping off the top of a peak or a mountain and forming it into a plateau, like a plain surface, or carving out the side of a mountain. Longer runways are required for a long-range jet aircraft. If the runways are smaller in length, then only small aircraft can land in that tabletop runway. That means the bigger flights or the long-range jet aircrafts cannot use these shorter tabletop runways. Or these tabletop runways are dangerous. One problem with this runway design is that they have dangerous starts and ends. There is little tolerance for error and pilots need to be more expert to learn the flights on these runways. Also they can be hazardous no matter about the weather condition is or the time of the day, whether it is daytime or even night or rainy season or it's a summer, that doesn't mean. There is also the problem of optical illusion where the runway might seem to be nearer whereas it would be actually be further away. This is also a major problem. So the pilots with less experience at an airport may misjudge the remaining length of the runway and accidentally overshoot. So there's a possibility of the tragedy or the accidents may occur. Tabletop airports in India. There are 4 major tabletop airports in India. They are Kozhikode International Airport, which is in Kerala, Mangalore International Airport, which is in Karnataka state, Shimla Airport, which is in Himachal Pradesh state, and Tachyon in Sikkim state. Also, India have the Lengpi Airport in Mizoram, which is the state government also having a tabletop runway. Kozhikode, Kerala Tabletop Airport. This is located in Kerala state. If you see the elevation of this airport above the mean sea level is 104 meter above the sea level. That is approximately 342 feet above the mean sea level. So this kind of airports, the pilot should be well trained to land the planes, otherwise they cannot land properly and tragedy may happen. Mangalore Tabletop Airport, which is located in Karnataka state. Here the runway is not in the same sea level. The height varying from 90 meter, that is approximately 300 feet, to 83 meter, approximately 272 feet from east to west. The elevation above the mean sea level is 103 meter. That is approximately 337 feet above the mean sea level. So just imagine that. Next is the Shimla Tabletop Airport, which is located in Himachal Pradesh state in India. This airport is located in the city Jibarbadi, which is 22 kilometers from Shimla in Himachal Pradesh. The elevation above the mean sea level of this airport is 1546 meter. That is approximately 5072 feet above the mean sea level, which is such a huge height. Next is the Tachyon Tabletop Airport, which is located in the Sikkim state. This airport is situated at Tachyon town, about 31 kilometers south of Gangtok in Sikkim. The elevation above the mean sea level is 1399 meter above the mean sea level, that is approximately 4590 feet. Lastly, Lengkupi Airport with Tabletop Runway in Mizoram. This Tabletop Runway airport, Lengkupi Airport, is located or situated in the state Mizoram. The elevation of this airport above the mean sea level is 405 meter, that is approximately 1328.4 feet above the mean sea level. So all this tabletop airport, from the name itself we can very well define that these airports or the runways are located above the mean sea level, which needs to be very careful at the time of landing, and trained pilots are necessary to operate the flights in these airports.
Thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe the channel and click the notification bell and share it with your friends.